the sitting MLA, and the allegation of the present petitioners are that I've used the words Hucha and Ayogya against him. That is only an allegation out of the
Where?
public function that's conducted, my lord, in Chikbalapur. Allegation on me is this, my lord, that there's a procession that's conducted from a temple to this public event where the function is happening, and there are certain provocation that's done by
Unlawful assembly
unlawful assembly and rioting, my lord.
of 800 to 1,000 people.
Out of 800 to 1,000 people, even according to their own complaint, they have
And
identified these four petitioners.
how are you picked up in 800 to 1,000 people? How many people here?
Not appear for the petitioner, my lord. The offences are unlawful assembly and rioting. Now, my lord, on 27/6/2026, my lord, there's a procession that happens. There's a
Where?
public function that's conducted, my lord, in Chikbalapur. Now, the allegation on me is this, my lord, that there's a procession that's conducted from a temple to this public event where the function is happening, and there are certain provocation that's done by the sitting MLA, and the allegation of the present petitioners are that I've used the words Hucha and Ayogya against him. That is only an allegation out of if your lord-
Defamation hakidara?
No, my lord.
What is this?
It's a
Unlawful assembly
unlawful assembly and rioting, my lord.
of 800 to 1,000 people.
Out of 800 to 1,000 people, even according to their own complaint, they have
And
identified these four petitioners.
how are you picked up in 800 to 1,000 people? How many people here?
Now, my lord, I've produced
Four.
photographs. Four, my lord. I have produced photographs to show the event where it's happening also, my lord. Page
So many people are there?
7, 48, 49.
Incident which happened in Chikbalapur where
ಆಯ್ತು 800 ಜನದಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಜನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಂಡ್ರಾ?
they have barged into the function and created a nuisance. We'll secure records, madam.
Secure. They heard the learned counsel, Srimati Kirti Reddy, appearing for the petitioner. The petitioners are said to be a part of an alleged unlawful assembly, which was a congregation of 800 to 1,000 people. It transpires that the certain words are uttered by these petitioners are berevara
It's alleged that it's
by several persons against the sitting member of the Legislative Assembly. This ought to have been the subject matter of a defamation if the said legislator was aggrieved. Not picking these four people for unlawful assembly, of unlawful assembly, the learned SPP to secure instructions with regard to how only 4 people were found out of the 800 people to choose and register the crime against them. In that light, further proceedings, further investigation, where this petitioner still the instructions are secured, shall remain stayed.
Like it is not 800 people, the gathering of 800 people.
Adikyan.
Page 43, my lord, the statement
Yes.
given. Obliged.
Bill number 10, Kumar Kumardi.
Speedy disposal.
ಯಾರೇನು ಅನ್ನಲೇಬಾರ್ದು. And
The matter related to speedy disposal matter. The matter is a 2010 matter matter.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಸರ್ ಇದು?
Serial number 10 matter.
D0.
A triple murder matter. More than 100 witnesses there.
ಏನು offense ಏನು?
302 matter.
16 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Also, man. Total 19 accused is there matter. And also Supreme Court also direction ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. But
8 weeks disposal in 8 weeks. ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ?
defense evidence ಇದೆ matter.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ 12 weeks. 3 months. Yes. ಅದು ಬರ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ. Speedy disposal 3 months. Yes, next.
Bill number 11, withdrawal memo.
In terms for withdrawal. Yes, next.
Reporting settlement.
ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಪ್ರಣೀಂದ್ರ ಸರ್, ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ.
Bill number 50, DP Mahesh. Sir.
Yes.
Reporting settlement, seal number 50. 51,
My lord, sir. Appearing for the petitioner, my lord, sir.
List on 17th. Yes, next.
My lords, there's a submission to be made in this petition, my lords.
ಅವ್ರು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್
Even
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ
in
ಅಂತ
spite of
ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಿಮ್ದೇನು?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ in spite of us approaching them, they are not even responding, my lords, not even whispering. ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಆಗುವಾಗ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಾಗ ಒನ್ ವೀಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, my lords.
ಈಗ ನೀವು ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದೆ, my lord.
ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ ಸರ್? ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 4 weeks. ಎಸ್.
My lords, there's a request made, my lords. Let it be listed next week, my lords.
Yes. 17.
52,
Filed joint memo for reporting
Offense.
settlement. Offensive, my lord.
ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ
380, 448, 504 and 506.
ಎಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
Dispute between the owner and tenant. They both have settled in MFA. In view of the
MFA ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆ,
the MFA order ಇದೆ.
ಕೊಡಿ.
Mentioned in the return.
ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮೆಮೊಲ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಸರಿ, ಆಯ್ತು. ಕ್ಲೋಸ್.
ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
There is a counter complaint.
Case and counter ಇದೆ.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವ್ದು?
Innondu is 751.
ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ?
No, that is pending
That is in
before
pending.
magistrate. We are cooperative to close the case, my lord.
ಅದ್ರ ಅಂಡರ್ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ
I have
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ?
mentioned it in joint memo also, my lord.
ಎಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
This case, this petition may be allowed.
ಕ್ಲೋಸ್.
46,
Much.
53,
The allegation in the FIR is petitioner as a builder has given a oral promise to construct the,
ಓರಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್.
yes, Suresh, oral promise for construct the clubhouse. You should kindly see, I produced
ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
the sale deeds ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ACS layout, that is site measuring 60
ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
in an apartment,
ವಿಚ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್?
ACS apartment.
ACS.
Measuring 60 into 40 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರೋದು, 1800 square feet ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ
ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೇಲ್ ಡೀಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು. There is no such commitment. ಸೇಲ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸೇಲ್ ಡೀಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಓರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, kindly take complaint, you should kindly page number A131.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಅದನ್ನ?
30.
ಓರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರ, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸಬ್ಸಿಕ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಡೀಡ್.
ಅದೇ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಕಾಮಿಡೇಷನ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರ?
ನಂಬರ್ 31 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಥವೆಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳೋದು ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಮಿಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಸರಿ. ಅದು ಯಾಕೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿವಿಲ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ FIR ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಅವೇ ದೇ ಆರ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ FIR.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಸ್. ಇನ್ ದ ಮೀನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
ಪೊಲೀಸ್.
hearing on IA 25,
For respondent, my lord.
The petitioner, the husband of the petitioner was working as a PDO and came to be trapped on 8/6/2023 onwards.
Filing objection, my lord. Cash releasing.
ಲೋಕಾಯ್ತು.
Yes, my
Lokayuta.
lords.
The petitioner is the wife of the accused who has been trapped. Immediately after the trap, the ACB police goes to the house of the accused and they conduct a search over there. And during the course of search, they seized 13,02,000 rupees.
ನಿಮ್ ಮನೆಯಿಂದನಾ?
Maneinda.
ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ. ಆಮೇಲೆ
And they draw Panchanama there in the house, your lordships, which is at page number. In the said Panchanama also,
ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಈಗ release of amount.
13 ಲಕ್ಷ.
13 ಲಕ್ಷ.
ಈಗ
ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಆಗಲ್ವಲ್ಲ?
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲೋನ್. ಡಾಟರ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲೋನ್ ರೆಸಿಪ್ಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ರೆಸಿಪ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅರೆಕನಟ್.
ಅರೇಕನಟ್ ಅದು ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಅವ್ರದ್ದು 1 ಎಕರೆ ಜಮೀನ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರಿದ್ದು.
ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
So and moreover, your lordship, this 13 lakh, there is no FIR, no allegation. The FIR is only with respect to the trap. Husband has been trapped. And even also they have not registered any FIR with respect to
ಯು ಆರ್ ಅಪಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ವೈಫ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಹಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಟ್ರಾಪ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತ ಹಸ್ ಟ್ರಾಪ್ಡ್ ದಿ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್.
ಈ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಬೇರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ನೀವು ವೈಫ್ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟ್ರಾಪ್ಡ್ ಮೈ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Yes, your lordship.
The explanation immediately given, my lords, after the seizure, my lords, that the amount is towards the school fee of the children and other household necessities, my lords. But no.
1000 necessity.
Household.
Household.
My lords. And no necessary documents have been produced, my lord, to show that from where they have secured that much of amount, that too in hard cash, my lords.
ಕಷ್ಟ.
Page 35,
Investigation is still pending, my lords.
page 35 maybe.
You did not file an application before the court?
I'll dismiss.
Dismiss.
Correct.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ that amount does not belong to any, it is,
ಯಾಕೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ?
ಅದು ಡಾಟರ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ, ಓನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಬೈ ಪೊಸೆಷನ್.
ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 35 maybe. ಅವರು ಪಂಚನಾಮದಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಚಿನ್ನದ ಒಡವೆಗಳನ್ನು ಅಡಮಾನ ಇಟ್ಟಿರುವ ರಸೀದಿಗಳಿದ್ದು.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಮೈ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರಾಪ್ಡ್.
Maybe release.
ನೋ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ, no useful purpose will be served
ಯಾರಿಗೆ?
by seizing that amount.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
It
ಏನ್
is
ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ
not
ನೀವು?
related, it is not related to any offense.
ಎಸ್, ನಾಟ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಎನಿ ಒಫೆನ್ಸ್.
Trap. ಅಲ್ಲ,
13 ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
13(1) E ಇಲ್ಲ.
It has to,
Trap ಆಗಿ.
investigation ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬೇಕು whether
ಅಲ್ಲ,
the
ಅದನ್ನ
offense
FIR
is amounts to
since 2 years
DA
charge
or
sheet has not been filed. ನನಗೆ explanation
ಅಲ್ಲ 7 ಹೆಂಗೆ?
7 ಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಸೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
seize
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆದಾಗ ಸೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ ಇದು ಅಮೌಂಟ್?
ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆದಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ
ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹೌಸ್
ಹೌಸ್ ಸರ್ಚಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಸೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು 2 lakhs.
2 lakhs.
2 lakhs husband.
ವಾಟ್ ಕೇಡರ್?
PDO.
PDO.
Yes, ma'am.
And since 2 years now, the case has been registered for 2 years. ಇನ್ನೂವರೆಗೂ charge sheet has not been filed.
ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್?